Hey BROCHIKAS, and welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a FabFitFun unboxing for you guys. I'm super excited to get into the products. Before we get started, I just want to say if you are not subscribed already, if you could please just consider subscribing during this video, I would greatly appreciate it. If you are new to my channel, welcome. My name is Kris, and I do a lot of these FabFitFun unboxings, a lot of hauls, a lot of fashion, curvy stuff, lifestyle vlogs, and all that good stuff. So if any of that sort of things interest you, I would strongly encourage you to subscribe and hit the bell so that you'll be notified every time that I upload a video. So if you haven't heard of FabFitFun before, I'll just go over it really quickly. It is a seasonal subscription box with lifestyle, beauty, fitness, and more. To become a member, it costs $49.99. But I do have a coupon code to share with you guys. Of course, you know I had to save you some money. So for your first box, you will get $10 off, making it $39.99 for the whole entire box, which contains full-size products valued at over $200 per box. So for $200 plus, like usually it's more than $200 in my experience, you are only going to pay $39.99. It is literally insane. So if you want to treat yourself in any way, if you want to look forward to something coming in the mail every season, I highly suggest FabFitFun. It is so much fun. It's like your birthday 4 times a year. You get to open high-end products, luxury products, treat yourself products 4 times a year, and it is so much fun. I always get so excited to open my box. So this is specifically the spring box, and here's the big reveal of the box. It is so cute, and it gets me so excited for spring. If you guys caught my last vlog, you know that I've been in a chaotic week, a chaotic situation here in Texas. It's been a freeze. We've had multiple snowstorms. We've lost water. We've lost power. We're finally doing okay now. The water's back on. The power is back on. It hasn't gone off in just about 24 hours now. Here's hoping that it won't go off again. And yeah, it's just been crazy over here. I'm over it. I'm over this winter. The Northerners need to just take this back. Like, I don't know why their winter is in my yard and they need to take it back. But this just lifts my spirits and reminds me how excited I am for spring. These flowers are so cute. This box is sustainable, you guys. It's recyclable, and I love how thoughtful they are. FabFitFun, I am a FabFitFun partner, so I am working with them today. They did send me this box because I am a partner, and I do have a link in the description box for you guys to check out if you want to get yourself a box. So without further ado, let's go ahead and see what's in. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I did open this because I was so bored when we were out of electricity. I was so bored and I missed shopping so much. I did open it, okay? So I'm gonna share with you the first item that I actually have already been using. So I'm currently wearing these right now, and these are the splendid like faux fur slippers in this pink color. They are so cute. I'm loving the light pink right now. I don't know, it's so weird. I always want to think that I don't like pink, but I'm really feeling pink. I think I'm just so excited for warm weather, and these are so incredibly soft. I can't even tell you guys how soft they are. So they come in 2 sizes. This is one of the items you're going to be able to customize. So some of the items in your box you can customize. Some of them are going to be surprises. This was an item that I chose. Of course, I can never get enough faux fur slippers. Like, I just love being cozy. So there are 2 sizes to choose from. It's small, medium, and medium large. I went ahead and did medium large because I am a size 9, and sometimes small medium is a bit too small. So I would say a size 8 and under would be small medium, and I would say 8.5 up, maybe medium large. So this is medium large. These are so comfy. I've been wearing these for days now. I'm wearing them today. They're just so warm and comfy. Even though your toes come through, they're still like warm. So you guys, these splendid faux fur slippers in the color crystal pink are valued at $48, which is already more expensive than the entire box. And this is what I'm talking about, girl. Treat yourself. If you love luxury, but you want to save coin, treat yourself with this box. The next item we have in here is also for my feet, because my feet are very important to me. they work really hard. So I chose this. This was another customized item. And this is a pair of aloe infused gel lined socks by Halston. And it fits the shoe size 4 to 10. And it softens your feet. And it also comes with a pumice stone. You guys know, oh, let me show you this bag. Here's how it comes. You guys know how important it is for my feet to be soft. And especially with the warm weather coming, we're going to be wearing our toes out and our feet out in flip-flops and sandals. So you need to take care of those puppies because they've been getting all dry all during this winter. So we've got a pumice stone, which is always good to have for your feet. And then we've got these aloe socks. Wow, these have like weight to them. So there's grips on the bottom so you won't slip while you're wearing them. And on the inside, you can see it's aloe. It feels like gel. It just feels like gel in there. Ooh. So I'm planning on wearing these overnight to soften my feet. I'll probably put some good lotion on. So I'll probably scrub with the pumice stone, put some good lotion on, and then wear these during the night to soften my feet. And I love this pink color. But yeah, I had to get this one because my feet are about to be out very soon, hopefully. Hopefully it gets warm very soon. I want to wear sandals so badly. So I thought that was a good spring idea. Like, I feel like this is definitely geared towards spring. And for these H. Halston aloe infused gel lined socks and pumice stones, these were valued at $40. That is insane. But it says that you slip these on, these aloe infused terry socks for noticeably softer feet. So I'm so excited to test those out. The next item I picked up out of my box is this, which I think this was one of the ones that I did not choose. And I think these are reusable beauty rounds. Yeah. So basically like reusable cotton rounds, kind of. So you get 3 of them. Oh, this little lavender purple is so cute. So these are super soft and you can use these to like take off your makeup and then you can wash them and they are reusable. Machine wash warm, do not bleach, tumble dry, low heat. So this is great for trying to be sustainable, not using so much like throwaway products. I do use cotton rounds a lot, to be honest with you. So I'm excited to try these to remove my makeup. It's probably something I wouldn't have chosen myself, but I'm definitely willing to give it a try because it came in the box, you know? And I don't know how to say the name, but it's Sai reusable beauty rounds. 3-pack is a value of $15. So it says ditch your makeup wipes for these reusable cotton rounds. So I'm gonna have to do more research. I don't know if like you're supposed to put product or if it'll work without using any product on it. So I will definitely have to test it out in a vlog for you guys. Next product we have in the box is this Ahava Time to Clear Refreshing Cleansing Gel. So here's what it looks like. Full size bottle, of course. It is 3.4 fluid ounces. And on the back, it says Refreshing Cleansing Gel, powered by Osmotor. I don't know what that is. This gentle soapless gel works as a deep daily cleanser, ideal for removing makeup and impurities. Leaves your face feeling fresh, clear, and supple. Massage onto wet face and rinse off thoroughly. Approved for sensitive skin. Super good, me, sensitive. And allergy tested. And it says SLES free, which I don't know what that is. Sulfates? I don't know what that is, but okay, so this is a makeup remover gel. Like, that's awesome. I can use that. Go ahead and use that with these. So I will definitely do that probably tonight when I take this makeup. Actually, we still don't have safe running water. We have running water, but it's not safe. We are in a boil notice. So I'm probably just going to use a makeup wipe tonight, but I will definitely test these out in a vlog for you because I feel like I can use these together. So that's exciting. And for this product, it is a value of $24. Wow. Okay, this is so cute. I chose this item. I did customize this, but it's a 2-for-1 item, which is something that I've never seen before. I have had their fall box from last year and their winter box from last year, and I've never seen them have you choose a product and you get 2 in that one choice. Do you know what I'm saying? This is so exciting. So this is Milk Makeup, and I have never tried anything by Milk Makeup. Like I haven't tried anything from Milk Makeup. So of course I wanted to give it a go. Plus, how cute is this color? It looks like watermelon, and it is actually watermelon scented. So this little one right here is the Watermelon Brightening Serum, which you know I'm all about skincare. That's why I had to get my hands on it. I love serums. This is a solid serum that brightens, hydrates, and smooths for more even skin tone and texture. I need that. I know it looks like my skin is all like good on screen, but you guys, I have so much texture on my forehead. It's like little tiny pimples that are not red. It's very confusing. And then I do love using like vitamin C and stuff to even out my skin tone, but I don't know if there's vitamin C in this. All I know is it says that it will help even skin tone, which I'm all about because I do have old acne scars. So I'm very excited to try this. Let's like look at the tube. I know it's a mini. I think this is like a deluxe size. I don't think this one is the actual full size, but this is so cute. Oh my goodness. This is so pretty. I absolutely love this packaging. I just want to like feel it. Ooh. I don't smell too much watermelon, so I don't know. I feel like Milk Makeup is supposed to be more on the natural side, so maybe that's why it's not like heavily scented. So I don't really smell that like watermelon smell, just so you guys know, but it is very, very cute and I'm excited to use it. And then this one, this is a full-size product. This is the Watermelon Brightening Face Mask. So it is a glow in a flash, solid clay mask, stick, brightens, hydrates, and even skin tone for a luminous complexion. So you would do the mask first, and then you would put the serum on after. So I love that this is a set. I love when skincare items go together. Ooh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, this is just so beautiful. I love this color. This is definitely spring, giving me the spring vibes. The watermelon aspect is definitely giving me the spring and summer vibes. And yeah, I'm excited to use this once I have running water. I unfortunately can't use it yet, but yeah, I don't smell like a watermelon-y. So that one is more of like a clearish product. And this, as you can see, is like a clay color. So I'm not smelling the watermelon, but again, I think that Milk Makeup is supposed to be like more on the natural side. So they're probably not using perfumes and stuff, but this is 1 ounce. Now for both of these products, it is valued at $44. And then we have this bottle, which I have no idea what this is. I don't think this is something I customized. But it says it's a bath gel and it says Islands of Italy. Peach Champagne Fragrance Capri. Okay, so it's just a bath gel, like a shower gel. Whoop. Actually, that smells pretty good. I was wondering like what peach champagne would smell like. It smells pretty fresh. It's a very light, fruity, feminine scent, so it's definitely giving me those spring vibes, which is definitely what I'm looking for in this box. And so this is the Cali Cosmetics Body Wash. Wash away the day without drying out your skin. Oh, love that. And this is valued at $22, you guys. That's a bougie body wash right there. But yeah, my skin has been super dry. One thing about me is like my face is always like combo, oily in the center, regular on the outside. But my body skin is always dry, like super, super dry, especially because we're transitioning from winter to spring. It's definitely necessary to have a hydrating soap for your body. So I'm super excited to try that. Okay, so this product right here, I did customize. I did choose this one because, you know, I love me some skincare. I'm always trying to stay young, always trying to not get wrinkles. And this is the Verso Super Eye Serum with Retinol 8. So it firms and smooths the under eyes. So we are all about that. Can never have enough skincare to keep my skin youthful. Can never get enough eye cream. Also, you know how expensive eye cream is. like good eye cream, super, super expensive. Let's go ahead and check how much this baby was. This product alone, this one right here, and this is how many fluid ounces? 0.67 fluid ounces, is valued at $65. So you know it must be good. It energizes tired skin around the eyes and targets signs of aging with retinol. We love it. We love retinol. So $65, you guys, that is worth more than the entire box. This little eye cream. See, I told you how expensive eye creams are, but we need them. I'm 31 years old, you guys. And then the last product in the box is this Marina Earth Harbor Biome Brightening Ampoule. I don't know if I'm saying that right. So this is a purely natural, ethical, C-active product. It is plant-based, vegan, fair trade, no gluten, small batch made, no GMOs, cruelty-free, sustainable, no soy added, and women-owned. We love a woman-owned company. We love cruelty-free. We love caring about the planet. Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule, I don't know if I'm saying that right, is named for the treasured ocean blue botanicals she possesses. Spirulina, which is amazing for you, and blue tansy. She harbors concentrated adaptogenic oils that vigorously brighten and balance for an even, radiant complexion. So you apply 2 or more drops to your skin after cleansing and toning your face. Let's go ahead and see what it looks like. Ooh, that's cute. I love the aesthetic of it. This packaging is really, really nice. Obviously, you have a dropper in here. It's basically like a serum, almost like a serum or like a, I don't know what to call this type of, I guess it's ampoule. I just don't know if I'm saying that right. And I've never heard of that word before. But yeah, you put a couple of drops of this skin after you wash your face. So we have some new skincare products to try and I'm loving it. I'm absolutely loving it. I swear by skincare, you guys, I ain't gonna lie to you. There are people my age that look older than me, okay? Like I ain't got no crow's feet or anything. I don't have the wrinkles up here. Do your skincare. It's never too late to start. I mean, sometimes it is, but just start, okay? Do your skincare. It's so important. Some people don't want to spend the time on it, but it is so important. And I get my age mistaken all the time. People think I'm way younger than 31 and it's because of skincare. All right, so this product right here, the Earth Harbor Marina Biome Brightening Ampoule, is valued at $38. It balances your skin. So I'm super excited to try this. I know I said that about every single product, but you guys, literally the reason I love this box and I suggest it highly is even if you just get skincare, because skincare is so expensive. It really is. And you get so much more bang for your buck. So I'm going to go ahead and total everything up and be right back to show you guys how much we saved. All right, y'all. So according to my calculations, the box is valued at $296. Wow. That's a lot of money. That's definitely a lot of money that I couldn't have spent on myself with luxury products, but it costed $49.99, giving us a total savings of $246. Are you kidding? If that doesn't tell you right there that you need to go get one of these boxes, I don't know what does. It is totally worth it. I'm telling you. Every box is going to be different. Every season is going to be different. I just think it's so much fun. There's so much variety. So I really hope that you guys enjoyed today's FabFitFun unboxing. I know I did. I'm looking forward to the summer box. Don't forget, I have that coupon code and that link in the description box so that you can go and get your first FabFitFun box. Be sure to give this a thumbs up and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.